Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorials. In this tutorial we learn how to install and download WordPress on our machine. For this thing we need two things. First is WordPress, download WordPress from Google, and second thing is we should have MAMP. So let's start with our first step, that is download WordPress. You just need to go on this link. So when you click on this button, download WordPress, you will be getting the downloaded WordPress thing in zip format. So first we are ready with the WordPress downloaded file. Second thing is we need to download MAMP. So in Windows we need WAMP to run the localhost to run all our WordPress applications. Similarly in Mac we need MAMP. So when you click on this link, you can easily download MAMP from this website. So you can download MAMP. After downloading this, in your applications folder, you will be getting MAMP and MAMP Pro. So we can use the MAMP. We'll have this many folders in this MAMP and this icon, MAMP icon. So we are having downloaded WordPress version, and second thing is MAMP. So let's start this MAMP. You just need to double click on this MAMP and you will be getting this window. So we need to start the servers. We will be starting the local host servers on which we are going to run all our WordPress application. When you will be clicking on that start servers, you will get this page. In this page, you can see these things. This will be our local host, and for this local host we will be having this database username as root and database password as root. So let's start. You just need to go in your downloads. We'll be having the zip file. We need to extract this. So what we can do, we have to just rename this folder name. This will be our application name. So let's give it WordPress demo. Now we need to copy this in applications, then MAMP, and then htdocs. You need to place all your WordPress application in this htdocs folder. So just paste it. Now what we have to do, we have to configure something. So click on this. You can see this wp-config sample.php. What you can do, just copy it and paste it and rename it wp-config.php. Remember, we should have two files, wp-config sample.php and wp-config. Now let's edit this wp-config. We have to add it wp-config. We just need to change three things, that is database name, database username and password for database. So we don't have any database, so let's create the database. Just go this website. Here from this tools you can open phpMyAdmin. For this we use phpMyAdmins. You can see this database, click on this, create database. So let's give any name. You can give any name. So first, WordPress applications. We can give this name, or you can choose any name. So this is created. First, WordPress applications. Now go in your file. See here, it will be the database name here. So remove this and place your name. This is a database name. Second thing, as I told you before, in this page we have the database username and database password. So here we have to give the database username as root and database password as root. You just need to save it. So let's save it and close it. Now we have the database created. We have our application. We have changed the config file. Now let's start with this. Just copy the folder name that is WordPress demo, because this is our application name. So after this localhost, after the port number, we need to copy this our application name and enter. See, you can choose any language. I'm choosing English. Continue. See, here we have to set something. We can set the title for application. So let's choose first WordPress application. You can give any username, so let's give it WordPress underscore demo. You can see put any password, so let's give it WordPress demo only. So confirm using weak password. I need to give the Gmail ID. Remember one thing, when we are going to install this WordPress, we will need the username and password to log in first time. After that, after installing the application, we can change the password, we can change the title, but for first time we need the username and password. So our username is WordPress demo and our password is WordPress demo. So we are ready with everything. So just click on this, install application, success. WordPress has been installed. Thank you. So we have successfully installed the WordPress application in our machine. Just log in and see what is there. See, we have used WordPress demo and we have given WordPress demo password. So remember me, log in, and our application is created. The title is here, first WordPress application. We can change it easily and we can visit our website which we have just installed. So thanks for watching my tutorial.